Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing One On Inn Maldives. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Maradhoofeydhoo, One On Inn Maldives has a garden, terrace, restaurant, and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The property has free shuttle service, room service and organizing tours for guests. The hotel will provide guests with air-conditioned rooms with a closet, an electric teapot, a minibar, a safety deposit box, a flat-screen TV, a balcony and a private bathroom with a shower. At One On Inn Maldives, the rooms are equipped with bed linen and towels. The accommodation offers a la carte or continental breakfast. One On Inn Maldives can conveniently provide information at the reception to help guests to get around the area. The nearest airport is Gan International Airport, 2.5 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.